welcome back to Business Vlog Tamila. So in this video we can see about the ZX securities and token exchanges of the source of trading and finance platform. So it works on the centralized and decentralized exchange platforms. So if you are new member to our channel, please subscribe our channel for the latest crypto and trading updates and click the bell icon for the latest updates. So we can discuss about the ZX full presentation of working plan and the working process. So Mr. Sharik asked me to execute about the plan.
Good day to everybody. This is your host and friend Sharik Hashmi, project lead and founder of ZXC Assets and ZXC Ecosystem. Today we are going to discuss in detail, not in detail precisely, about ZXC Assets, how it's working and how does it operate, including the roadmap and the futuristic approach of this project. So we are going to make it short. The precise presentation and the detailed presentation link will be available, and you can get it from your colleague or friend. So what is ZXC ecosystem? Because ZXC Assets is backed by ZXC, so ZXC is the trading and finance platform. Is centralized as well as decentralized trading and finance within one platform. Incorporated and regulated from Estonia and Georgia in 2018. We got this approval of our regulation and incorporation from Georgia and Estonia. Two countries from European nation, they are crypto friendly. The reason is that we have to have a very secure legal blanket because we are working in the corporate structure. Our mission is easy to use, is to build a easy to use integrated blockchain and sidechain platform. This is me, Sharik Hashmi, the project lead. I am the former ambassador of UAE and MENA region for the Lisk ecosystem. Lisk is the same ecosystem on the blockchain working in the same model like Ethereum, but it is on delegated proof of stake. It started from $12 million and all-time high it went up to $1.35 billion in December 2017. I am a blockchain evangelist. I have been involved with the industry for the last 6 years, including the digital assets and blockchain technology, advisor to many US and Russian blockchain projects, including technical architecture advisor, and I have been a speaker and judge for many events in the regarding the blockchain and the conferences within the MENA region, and the links will be provided in the coming slides. Industry 4.0 applications including blockchain and IoT, one of the pioneers, and we have trained and educated the banks and financial institutions. So this is George Sebastio, my old colleague and friend. He has been like cybersecurity expert for the last 25 years, and he is a very renowned blockchain speaker from all over the world, and he's a seasonal CTO, and right now is the CTO ecosystem for the Huawei Technologies. So this is our ICO team that have been hired at the time of the ICO when we have done our ICO between January 2018 and June 2018. So all of the details of this ICO team and our advisors have been discussed in detail in our other presentation, which is in detail. These are some of the references and the links provided. Okay, so, and these are the third-party links. This is my participation with one of the pioneers of the blockchain industry, including Ethereum co-founder, and this is our media coverage. We have been covered by CNBC and Dubai TV, and our participations. This is our ZXC exchange launch at GITEX Gulf Information Technology Exhibition by Sheikh Khalid bin Zayed Al Nahyan. We have done our soft launch of our exchange. So this is some of the launch videos. These are few of the memories. We are trying to discuss all these memories and all these participations in order to tell you that we are from the industry. We have been involved with the blockchain industry, and this futuristic project is from the same industry 4.0 application industry. So this is the point we needed to discuss. These are some of our achievements globally. We have around 75,000 registered users since we have been involved with the industry for the last 3 years about regarding our project. Okay, we have ZFL token 110 million circulating supply, total supply of 480 million. We have been verified and listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, EtherScan, and our main listing is with the Bilexi. ZXC exchange is under restructuring form, and it will be relaunched actually by the end of June or early July. This is our vision, okay, to be the leading platform for trading multiple assets because of the exchange. We are going to provide the IO, initial exchange offering for the multi-communities coins, okay, and to be a very cost-effective investment banking services provision through our system. This includes the Series A, B, C, D funding, okay, and to be the biggest trading liquidity pool, which comprise around $50 million for the ZFL holders. This value will generate around 5x to 10x, but we are going to calculate around 2x in the coming slides. And this is speculative to be the one of the top 5 crypto assets for our ZFL. So this is our token economics. Since ZFL is a totally exchange coin, so all of the utilities and the fees are involved within the exchange. Okay, it includes the trading fees, withdrawal fees, listing fees. So these are all included within the exchange, and this is very lucrative business, and you will see the business model in the coming slides. This is our roadmap, and I just want to discuss within this roadmap. It is 2020 and 2021. We are going to achieve approximately 1 million active users, which is a very good community size, because all of the things what we are doing right now is for the community development and the generation for our utilization of ZFL token. We have already launched our ZXC exchange wallet. Okay, that is a very unique wallet with the feature of wallet to wallet chatting. Okay, right, because if you are going to chat with somebody, you can easily transfer your funds or send or receive funds without asking the Ethereum or Bitcoin addresses. So these are the features of the roadmap. Okay, and the features what are included in this roadmap, like derivatives and futures and other platforms integration. The profit model is not included in our total business model. So we are going to discuss our business model in the later slides. These are our partners and platforms. They are proven partners and platforms, verified. Okay, and you can get this information from there. Okay, so total, what we are going to do, we are going to offer equity token offering to our pre-IPO investors. Okay, and because the ZFL tokens are going to be offered to our pre-IPO investors in the later stages, and you will see in the coming slides how we are going to list our IPO. This is the procedure. I'm trying to explain this procedure over here, and it has been explained in detail in the other presentation, the detailed presentation. With these companies, we already have signed the NDA, or we are going to sign the NDA, and we are going to proceed for our S1 filing through these companies. So that's what we have mentioned here. What are the benefits of the IPO? One of the biggest benefit of the IPO is we are going to the public. Okay, we are going to the institutional investors, and for our pre-IPO investors, they are going to take at least 5x to 10x exit strategy by adding our Series A, B, C, D funding through institutional investors. So these are some of the benefits of the IPO. We have tried to explain why any crypto or blockchain company can do the IPO. How is it possible? This is what we have explained, and we have an exchange example over here. INX Exchange IPO S1 filing have been approved by the SEC, Securities Exchange Commission. They're supposed to launch their IPO on New York Stock Exchange in the first quarter of this 2020, but due to pandemic situation, they have got it delayed to Q3 2020. So these are other exchanges and some companies. Well, ZXC Exchange is going to launch their $150 million S1 filing IPO at the valuation of $1 billion, and which is equal to this $150 million is equal to around 1100 Indian INR or 2500 crore PKR at the time of our presentation, 1100 crore INR. So this is what the valuation analysis, how we are going to value this thing for our IPO structure. So through the trading platform on 0.11% fees structure, we are going to achieve before the IPO filing $126 million by utilizing our other business models, which are already included or the part of our exchange and trading platform or the finance platform. We are going to achieve the target of $232.6 million valuation, and on the basis of these targets or the valuation process of this $232.6 million, we are going to have $150 million fair price value IPO listing. So these are the benefits for the investment. The minimum investment is $50, and the first benefit is pre-IPO participants are going to receive certificate of participation as a shareholder, and they will have the equal proportionally distributed partnership model. Okay, and the second benefit is they are going to receive at the time of the maturity of after 12 months, they are going to receive this ZFL tokens at the current value. Suppose they have invested $1,000, they are going to receive $1,000 equal value of ZFL. At that time, they can liquidate or they can hold it. The last benefit, which is a very big benefit, is the dividend. Up to 12 months, they are going to receive approximately up to 5% of the dividend monthly basis, which is approximately 60% after 12 months. And after 12 months, if they are going to keep that certificate of participation with them. So if the company will grow, they will grow. If the company is making $1 million or $100 million, they are going to have the same 15% proportionality equally distributed to them. So this is the benefit of the dividend. So you are growing with the company. This is a very lucrative thing for any investor, and this thing we have made it specifically for our networks and for our special leaders. This is matching incentive 1:1, the right leg and left leg of binary, 7%. Direct incentive is 7%. Bonus on dividend. This is a very lucrative salary based model actually. Okay, so suppose your investor is going to get the dividend, you are going to get 10% of that dividend on the regular basis on the first level. On the second level, you are going to receive like 5% of that dividend. On the third level, 5% of the. So this is a salary model. So up to 3 levels, you are going to receive some percentages of the dividends on your investors as well. So maximum incentive, you are going to get 5 times of your investment via direct matching dividend or bonus on dividend, and daily matching cap is up to $1,000. So this is a very good incentive we have made for the pool eligibility. This is a pool actually for whatever the investment we are going to get today, tomorrow, or in the near future. Whatever the investment we are going to get, 10% of that investment will be going to this pool. Okay, and in this pool it will be proportionally dividing into the investors. So you can see the benefit of the early adopters or the early investors. Whoever is going to invest today, after 2 months or 3 months, the new investments are coming, they are going to make the money. So they can easily make, so the investor can easily make 2 times of the investment. So altogether they can easily make 360% of their investment. Okay, so this is the withdrawal system. Minimum withdrawal amount is $10, 5% applicable only on BTC withdrawal. Every Wednesday, 5:30 a.m. India time and 5 o'clock morning Pakistan time is a withdrawal time. And we have a very mature software. It is already automated, and all of the rules and regulations are already defined. So there is no delays. So this is like pre-launching rewards. I just need to discuss only one point. This is in front of you, which is $500 self-investment, $1,250 direct investment, and $25,000 matching income. So altogether, if they are going to get, so you are going to receive MacBook Pro or equivalent value of $1,700 in BTC. The only one condition, there's only one condition. Whichever the ID is higher, they are going to receive that reward. So thank you very much. And this is a very lucrative business model, and we have a very good track record, like a renowned blockchain team, and we have a futuristic approach of this Industry 4.0 applications project. So I wish you all the best and take care. Have a good day.